Yeah, alright folks, close your eyes. I'm about to paint this here camper.
Welcome back to HunkO'Junk Garage. Like Bryan said, it's time to shoot some paint on this old Winnie. Huge shout out to Bryan for making all this happen. It was an incredible amount of work. We didn't catch on video all the sanding and trim removal, but Bryan spent a massive amount of time straightening all the trim and polishing it. Well, I'm going to shut up now and let you enjoy the transformation.
Alright, so today we're going to be cleaning the awning on the RV. I picked up some of this awning cleaner and also some vinyl cleaner protector. See what we can get accomplished with those. So as you can see, got some mildew happening. We also got some staining up top. Just kind of dirty. It's been washed recently, but the stains don't seem to want to come out. We also have some cracking appearing here, which we're going to fix with some awning tape. About 4 ounces to 1 gallon. It smells like cherries. Stiff brush on the head stain area. Well, that's about all the elbow grease I got in me. But after a few good scrubs, this stuff did a pretty good job. Got all the heavy staining out. A lot of it looks brand new. Not bad for a $6.99 bottle on sale versus a 40-year-old awning. So go ahead and let that dry for however long it needs, and then we will put on the protector. Also, we got a couple dials to fix as well. One's missing and the other one doesn't do fuck all. Well, we got some clear awning tape off Amazon. Cost about 15 bucks. Gonna throw some on here and hopefully it's good enough. Well, it seems like pretty nice stuff. It's nice and stretchy, very sticky, and pretty see-through. So let that bake in the sun Let it bond really nice. Let's do the underside. Well, hopefully that does the trick. Hold it together for a few more years, another 40 hopefully. Got some stitching coming apart here. Seems like pretty good tape though. This side's looking really decent, a little stress on the seam here. Nothing to speak of except for up here. Starting to rip on the seam. Alright, well, we got the tape all applied. It's actually fairly nice stuff. I wasn't expecting too much from Amazon, but it seems pretty tough stuff. Nice and sticky. Should last a few years anyway. Prevent any further ripping, tearing. Probably have to reapply it a few years, but that's alright. Well, let's put some conditioner on this now. Alright, so we're going to use some Meguiar's vinyl and rubber cleaner protector. See how well that does. We're going to apply it with a squeegee. That's all I can think of using. Alright, time to the other side. Oh, look at my skirt. Well, used pretty much the whole bottle, which I was expecting. It's not very big. Kind of smells like soldering wire. Stinks, but seems to do a pretty good job. Nice and shiny. Looks like it's kind of softened it up a little. So hopefully we don't do this. Hopefully we do it a little more often than 40 years. Keep it from hardening and cracking like it's doing. Just try and apply it maybe once a year.